What's going on, my J-Hen and Travel Life crew? We're doing another unboxing. I'll leave a link in the description down below of this item if you're interested in getting it. Right now, we're checking out this folding collapsible foot bath with heat and bubbles. So let's check it out, you guys. So right there is the on and off switch. It does plug into the wall, and you can just remove that piece right there off the top so you can start to use it. It's collapsible, so you just have that handle there. You can just either put your feet down in there to push it down to open it up, or you can just pull it open and apart there. But it does have that cover right there to protect it. It has that carrying handle right there, so you can carry it moving around. Once you filled it up, you can use that handle to carry it. You do have to be careful with this because it is collapsible, and when I say it collapses very easy, it collapses very easy. And my first time using this, y'all, I made a big mess because as I had my feet off on the side trying to scrub my feet with my little scrubbers and do all my little action, I pressed down just too hard and it it collapsed and all the water went everywhere. So anything you do, have you something on the side to put your feet on. If you're going to be trying to dry them off or do any footwork, do not put your feet on the edges or any place on the outer parts of this, but just put your feet on the inside only put them on the inside. So I wear like a 10.5, 11, and it was big enough to fit my feet inside of the foot massager there. You do have to watch out for the heater that's in the bottom. I didn't burn myself, but I know in a lot of the reviews people said you do have to watch out for that, so I knew in advance to watch out for that. So I'm letting you guys know, be careful, watch out for that heater down there. There are foot scrubbers and massagers built into the bottom down there. I really like it because, again, they do have some foot baths out there and they don't have any heat, but this one, it's heated and it has bubbles. I grabbed some detox foot soak tea tree oil to go along with it, and I dumped that on in there, and I'm ready to have me a good relaxation time with some nice soft feet. Get yours, check the description down below, hit the subscribe button, hey, even join the channel. Peace.